This is my Nucanoe Frontier 12. I want to show you how I finally got the registration numbers on there and the sticker to stick. I could not get it to stick for the life of me before this. As you can see right here, pieces of electrical tape just come right off, even after cleaning and prepping with alcohol. I even tried painting on a similar type plastic, high-density polyethylene coffee container to see if it would stick better. After letting it dry in the sun, I scratched it with a willow branch that wasn't even sharp, and it came off way too easy. I decided the way to go was to use stencils, then to roughen it up with some sandpaper, and fill it in with a Sharpee permanent magic marker.
Using a regular Sharpie. Since the registration sticker is not sticking, I decided to mount an aluminum plate to the kayak, screw it in with stainless steel screws, and stick the sticker to this where it will adhere very strongly. So this is a scrap piece of aluminum I had laying around. So I measured it 3.5 by 4 inches, and I'm gonna cut it, clean it up, drill it, either put 2 or 4 screws in each one, silicone back them, and mount it in. Stay tuned. 2 pretty equally sized pieces of not too thin but not too thick aluminum, still pliable. And this is after. Rounded edges so it doesn't get cut, so it doesn't cut anybody. This was the way to do it. Put the sticker on first.
I'm sanding carefully inside the stencil so that the magic marker would have something to soak into and stick to. I hope this video helped out for anybody out there that also had the same issue, couldn't get their registration decal to stick or the numbers to stick on their side of their kayak. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and see you next time.